We got a 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. We threw on a progressive Carven system. Gives it that nice idle and very aggressive when you step on the gas. This is pro charged, so you're not gonna get exhaust noise only. Independently, it's a bolt-on system right here. We took off the big muffler and replaced it with this. Again, the progressive. It's a larger one. Runs through the back. Stock resonators, didn't want to remove those. We're gonna bring it down and fire it up for you guys. Again, it is pro charged, so whoppa! Let's hear it.